In this video, I'm going to show you how I made this ghost mask from Call of Duty. Let's get started. Alright, so to start, I have this the skeleton mask here. I got this at the dollar store a while ago. And yeah, I'm going to be using it for the ghost mask. I have my Dremel tool right here. And I'm just going to cut the jaw off. There. The jaw is now off. Alright, so I'm just gonna spray paint the skull mask white. Most skull masks are gonna be already white, so apparently don't have to do this part, but I am. There. Alright, so what I'm doing next is a black wash. So I am going to take some black and some brown paint, and I'm going to mix it with some water. Like so. Some black. Mix that up. And with this, I'm going to just brush it on there. Yeah, like that. Then with some paper towel right here, I'm gonna wipe it off. There. Alright, so next I'm just going to put some black paint in the nose and around the eyes. Alright, so I just finished up with the mask. Here are the two lines. I liked how this turned out. For the details on the balaclava, I just used some chalk because I want to reuse this balaclava, but paint will work equally as good. Yeah. Alright, so I just finished the makeup for the ghost, and basically I just put some black face paint around my eyes. Kind of looking like Batman from the new Batman movie. Yeah, I look like a panda. Yeah. Alright, so we are going to put together the costume. I have the balaclava I made with the chalk. Like that. Now for the mask. Oh yeah. This is looking good. And that is going to conclude today's video. Make sure to like, subscribe, do all that. I recently set up a Buy Me a Coffee if you want to support me that way. And I'll see you guys next time.